Hi, welcome to Remake tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to sell our courses on Udemy. Welcome to Udemy. Yes, here is their homepage. Udemy. Yes, rise to the resolution. This is the way you make it happen. Meet your goals with courses from just $9.99. You can sell your courses, you can sell your skills here and earn lots of money. Okay, let's see what's it. First, you have to sign in. After that, you have signed on it, you can become an instructor. Yes, after instructor, yes, they will give instructor dashboard. Here is the instructor dashboard. Go on that, and there is a button, create a new course button. On that you can click, and yes, this is the instructor dashboard. You can upload your course. Yes, click on this create a new course button and go to the next step. Yes, here you can find out what type of course you are making. Yes, here is 2 options: practice, test, and course. Select this one, course, and enter your working title. Yes, it is very important because it is your course URL link, so you have to give good URL link as a working title. After giving the working title, you can continue on this button and select your best category here. Yes, what category best fits the knowledge you'll share, you can select here. There are so many things: development, business, IT, like that, so many things. You can selecting anything else, continue on it. Yes, here you can select time and create courses. There are some options. Yes, how much time can you spend creating your course per week, like that. There is, yes, 2 hours, 2 to 4 hours, and 5 plus hours, like that. There are option. You can select anyone else and create your course. Yes, here is some details. Yes, here it is the your course uploading page. First you have to complete this one, target your students. In this, yes, in this, what will students learn on your course, you have to give a what will learn. Yes, this one you have to give. And then, are there any course requirements or requisites, you have to give here. Then you can provide required information. After that, there are some things after giving requirements, and who are your target students, you have to give the target students of your course. And after that, there is course structure something. Second one is course structure. There's nothing to do, just scroll down and go to next one, just go ahead. And third one is also like that, setup and test video. It is also nothing to do, and scroll down, just scroll down and go ahead. Yes, the fourth one is film and edit. It is also like that, just scroll and go down. And the curriculum, this is a very important part because it is your course part. Yes, you have to upload your course here, all of the course materials. Yes, here is the first section. Yes, introduction. In this introduction, you can upload your course introduction. Click on content and upload your course from your computer. Here is the link, video link. Click on it and upload your video files. Yes, your video file is uploading here. Yes, then after that you can upload your anything. Before that you have to give description on the first introduction video. Click on description and give you a description. At the time they will processing your video. After process, they will publish your video. Yes, after giving the lecture description, you can save it. Yes, save here, save it. Yes, after save it, you can select another video tutorial. Yes, first one is completed, and second, yes, if you want to upload second video, you can click this plus button and upload your second video. Yes, you can do as same thing, and second video is also like that. You can click on it and upload second videos. Yes, second video is uploading, and a third video is ready to upload. You can download here. Like that you can upload all of your videos. Yes, I have uploaded 11 videos here. After all videos uploaded, you can you can get the caption. It is optional, no problem, just leave it and go to the next page. And course landing page. Yes, course landing page, you have to give course title. Yes, here you can give course title and course subtitle and course description as well. Then you have to fill up some details. After giving course description, you have to select some basic information on language and beginner level, intermediate level, like that, something levels, and your categories. After it, here is another thing, that is course image. You have to give course image here. Upload your course image here, and the course image uploading here. And at the time you can give promotional video. Yes, here you can upload your promotional video. Yes, after giving the promotional video, you can select prices. Yes, here is the price list, you can select. And then last, you fill up some information, welcome message and congratulations message. Yes, you have to fill up these things. Yes, after finishing the welcome message and congratulations message, yes, you can click on this review button. Here is the review, submit for review buttons. Click on it and wait for Udemy approval. Here is a course. Yes, they will review and approve your course. After that it will publish. Okay, that's also sell online course on Udemy and earn. Okay, good luck.